Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix bad request HTTP error 400 request too long when add custom watermark in Microsoft Word. First method is open Microsoft Word. Click File, click Options. Click General, click Privacy Settings. Uncheck Turn on experiences that analyze your content. Second method is open Microsoft Word. Click Designs. Click Watermark, click Custom Watermark. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.